Imagine your code is a crime scene, and you're the only one who can crack the case. You walk into your app, and something's wrong. That's when you put on your detective hat. It's time to debug. The first tool every dev detective grabs? Console.log function, your flashlight for lighting up variables and logic. The browser DevTools are your lab. Inspect elements, track variables, and analyze real-time code behavior. Next up, I'll show you how breakpoints let you freeze time right before a bug explodes. Breakpoints let you pause time at the exact moment before the bug strikes, just like rewinding security footage. The stack trace is your case timeline. Follow the chain of calls to see what happened and when. Insert the debugger keyword and the browser auto-pauses, like a detective whistle. Don't assume, don't skip the basics, and never ignore red flags in the console. It's like leaving clues untouched. Bug solved, case closed. Like this video, drop a detective emoji if it helped, and subscribe for more detective-level dev skills.